Assalamu alaikum dear students. It's your teacher Javed Ahmad Shah here. We are going to learn about anagrams today. There are a few words on your screen in the column 1 and column 2. We can rearrange the words of column 1 and make another words from them. Let us see them one by one. The first word here is B-A-R-E, beer. We can rearrange the letters of the word beer and make another word from them. Listen here. We have made another word B-E-A-R, beer. That's a wild animal, you know, जिसे हम रीछ कहते हैं. The second word here is near, N-E-A-R, which in Urdu means nazdeek. And from these four letters of the word near, we can make another word that's earn, kamana. The third word here is act, A-C-T, act, and from it we can make another word that's cat. तो आपके समझ में आया होगा एनाग्राम्स क्या है, व्हाट एक्चुअली आर एनाग्राम्स. एनाग्राम एक वर्ड होता है, इज अ वर्ड और अ फ्रेज फॉर्म्ड बाय रीअरेंजिंग द लेटर्स ऑफ अ डिफरेंट वर्ड और फ्रेज, टिपिकली यूजिंग ऑल द ओरिजिनल लेटर्स एग्जैक्टली वंस. एनाग्राम क्या होता है? ये एक वर्ड होता है जो हम दूसरे वर्ड से बनाते हैं या दूसरे फ्रेज से बनाते हैं जब हम उसके लेटर्स को रीअरेंज करते हैं. वी रीअरेंज द लेटर्स ऑफ द exact the initial word and make second word or a phrase from them. We use here, you should listen one thing, be careful. We use all the letters of the original word, but we cannot repeat another letter, some letter rather. We cannot repeat some letter and we cannot leave some letter. And the word formed from the original word should have a clear meaning. In the same way, here from your English textbook, there are given few words. We can make another words from them. The word here, first word here is resist, and from it we can make another word, that is sister, satin, stain, garden, danger, sign, sing, peak, speak, peaks, words, sword. So all those words made have a meaning, and the letters of the initial word are not repeated. Neither any letter from the initial word is omitted or skipped here. So let's move to your textbook at page number 89. इधर कुछ वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, उनका हमें एनाग्राम बनाना है, बट वी हैव ए क्लू हियर. यहाँ पे एक क्लू हमें दिया गया है. द फर्स्ट वर्ड हियर इज लूप्ड, और इसे हमें बनाना है एनाग्राम जो कि पी से शुरू होता है. इट स्टार्ट्स विद पी एंड इट्स मीनिंग इज एन इंटेलिजेंट ब्रीड ऑफ डॉग, कुत्ते की एक जहीन किस्म. सो दिस पूडल, P-O-O-D-L-E, poodle. Though there is another word, schoolmaster. It's the original word, the actual word here. We can make anagram from it. The meaning of the word anagram here is where lessons are taught, जहाँ पे हम पढ़ाते हैं. So that is the classroom. In the same way, there is listen, and the clue here is making no sound, जहाँ पे आवाज़ नहीं आती. That's silent. Married, एंड द क्लू हियर इज़ अ फैन. जो आपका शाइक होगा, आपका शौकीन होगा, ये वो वाला फ़ैन नहीं है जो हम हवा के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. हेयर द वर्ड इज़ एडमायरर. एंड rabies, you know, it's a disease caused by when some dog bites someone. When a rabid dog bites a normal person. A country, so Kiliu here is a country in Southeast Europe, that's Siberia. Siberia is a country in Southeast Europe. We can make the word Siberia from the word rabies. Real fun, we have to, the original word here is real fun, and we have to make another word from it. And the clue here is performed after someone's death. जब कोई मरता है उसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं, that's funeral, उसका जनाजा वगैरह पढ़ते हैं. So the next word here is retain. The clue here is a part of the human eye, that's retina, on which the image of the object is formed in our eye. That's retina here. Charm. चार्म ए मूवमेंट ऑफ सोल्जर्स, जब सिपाही चलते हैं उसको हम मार्च कहते हैं, MARCH मार्च. इट्स नॉट द नेम ऑफ द मंथ, it's a movement of soldiers here. Hope you have understood today's lesson very well. Fi amanillah. Assalamu alaikum.